In the case of water supply, we used to project the population for 50 years or at least minimum 30 years. Then population forecasting or projection is based on some statistical analysis, or it is a statistical method. There are different methods, and which method we want to adopt, that depends upon the city, whether it is developed, already developed, or whether it is developing. That means if it is a developing city, then as I explained in the last class, the migration, people from different areas, from the rural areas, the people are migrating to the city where there are job opportunities or transportation facilities, etc. In that case, you have to consider the projection which would give you a better result considering all these migration and all these things. And like that, there are 5, 6, 7, 9 methods of population projection is given in your notes. The first one is the arithmetical increase method. Arithmetical increase method, that is the most simple method, and usually for rough calculation we used to consider these arithmetical increase methods. If you want to calculate the population for, say, a particular year, say n decades, remember when we are doing the population projection, always we are projecting for a particular decade. That means we are considering that decadal population and we are projecting for the future decades. And decade means it is 10 years, is it? So the mathematically the hypothesis is the change of population with respect to the time is a constant. So what is the change of population or the increase in population? It is written here, if it is dp and the change of the time it is dt, then dp by dt is a constant, that is k, the rate of change of the population, that is a constant. We assume that the population is projecting at the same rate as what we observed in the first decade. It will project or it will increase in the same manner till the end period. That is the simplest method of calculation. So here it is written, the note it is written, the details are given. Then if it is so, how can you calculate the population in the next decade? So if it is 100 here and we are getting that is the dp by dt is a constant, means if it is a 10%, if it is 10%, that means the next decade, that means this is 2020, in 2030 the population will be, it is 110, is it? That means 10% population increase is occurred. So 100% of 100, 10% is 10, so that means it is 110. That is the simple method. And if you want to write it in the form of equation, it is given Pn, that is the population in the nth decade, is equal to P, that is the present population, plus n into I. What is n? N is the number of decades to which you have to project the population. That means if you want to project the population for 50 years, that means n is 5, and what is I? That is the dp by dt, that constant, how much population is increased per decade, that is the incremental population or average increment per decade. That is the equation given, Pn, that is the end population or the population in the end decade, that is equal to P, that is the present population, plus n, the number of decades to which you have to project, multiplied by I, the average increase per decade, that is Pn, P plus Ni. This method is usually used for cities where population density